Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And it's been a while making videos on YouTube, and I feel really awesome coming back to YouTube again. And keeping that aside, in today's video I'm going to talk about the Starlink technology, what exactly it is, and the working behind this Starlink technology, the innovation, why it is required, and what is the difference between traditional way of accessing internet and this technology, what exactly it differs. And any technology has its pros and cons, so I'm going to discuss about this technology, pros and cons of this technology in this video. So if you like this video, hit that like button, and without wasting your time, let's jump right into the video. So the Starlink technology is the project owned by SpaceX, which makes reusable rockets, and it is a private organization run by Elon Musk. So this is one of the innovative idea of Elon Musk, where he tries to solve the problem of accessing internet. So Starlink technology is a way of delivering internet with the help of satellites. So the traditional way of accessing internet is using fiber optic cable, which comes under guided medium, right? There is a cable, there is a wired cable which is used to transmit data and in the form of light pulses, right? But the Starlink technology, with the use of satellites and EM waves, electromagnetic waves, is going to transmit the data from server to the device, and so device to the server. So this is a technology in which involves the use of satellites, and the idea is to transmit data with low latency and with the high speed, and provide high speed data services. So it's going to solve the problem of latency issue, as well as if you are an online gamer or an online streamer, you require high data rate. So this too can be achieved with the help of the Starlink technology. So Starlink uses advanced satellites, which is going to provide you internet services which requires high amount of data rate. For example, cloud gaming, video streaming, video calls, and all of that which requires high amount of data rate. Starlink provides these services with low latency, which is required in this case, right? So you don't want to be stuck around with the internet at the time of gaming, right? So you require fast internet. So Starlink solves this issue, and the main objective of this technology is to provide access to the internet across the globe. So even in remote areas on Earth where there is no proper internet connection and where there is an unreliable connection, this technology is useful in delivering, offering internet to the users, right? So the working of this technology, I'm going to talk about it. But before that, I want to explain about the difference between this satellite internet and the common way or traditional way of accessing internet with the help of fiber optic cable. See, in fiber optic cable, we use a guided medium which requires a wire, and transmission of data takes place with the help of light pulses. But in Starlink technology, we are really going to use electromagnetic waves, and it is going to be transmitted through air, and which is an unguided medium, and it requires less amount of time to transmit and receive data, right? And it solves the issue of latency. So latency is nothing but the amount of time taken by the internet signal to send and receive from the server to the device. Working of the Starlink technology involves an array of satellites which are located on low Earth orbit, and an antenna which is in the form of a parabolic antenna which is installed on the rooftop, and it is programmed in such a way that it is going to set the coordinates automatically and can project to the satellite, right? So whatever the request that you make and whatever the response you get is all communicated with the help of satellites. And now, as per the news, Starlink is partnering with Google, so I'm looking forward that they should work better and they should give more better services. Alright, so this installation is pretty simple and it is portable. That means you can just remove the antenna from your rooftop and you can carry with you, and you can just get access to internet even in forest. That is the beauty of this technology, and it is programmed in such a way that it's going to set its coordinates automatically, so you don't have to adjust the dish antenna to get access to the internet, right? So the major disadvantage comes into picture about this technology is like when the weather condition is bad. That means if the weather climatic conditions are really bad, you are not going to get the internet speed as they claim because of the bad weather, right? It is just a because this uses unguided medium where electromagnetic waves are traveling through air, right? So if the weather condition is not good, definitely you are not going to get the high amount of speed. But I have the optimistic way of viewing any sort of technology, so I see a lot of advantages and major problems which going to be solved with the help of this technology. So I have a positive view on this technology specifically, and I'm looking forward to use this sort of technology, right? So, and also one more thing I forgot to talk about is data encryption. So since this is follows unguided medium, the data should be encrypted and for the better security purpose, right? And I hope this will be enabled very soon, and currently it is in beta testing now. So I'm looking forward to get hands on this technology, and it charges $100 per month, and yeah, so it is reasonable, and it solves the major problem in rural areas where there is no proper internet connection, right? So that's it for this video. I hope you liked this video and got some information and insights about this Starlink technology, and subscribing to my channel is much appreciating. Until then, this is your Kiran signing off. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Take care.